Yo, yo. There we go. Thank you for that. Let me know if you got it now. Appreciate it. All right. Let's see here. 50% of this range. If I can get a low risk pre market entry before open, low risk pre open entry, I'm going to take it. 5 second chart, super low time frame. So, going to have to try to be sharp. All right. Let's see. Is that better? All right. Something I like to wait for. One-minute chart up here in the top left. I'm looking for the first inefficiency created after the market open. So on the 5-second chart, it's this little gray box here. I'm not going to use it on the 5-second chart though, so let's turn that off. So price is pushing down below midnight open. 50% of this whole swing here is right here. So let's see if this initial push down is a Judas. So just trying to fake people out. I don't want to catch a falling knife just yet. But if it hits a key level that I'm interested in, so super close to this 50 level, that is a clean reversal trigger. I'm not going to take the first signal. I'd like to see the early longs get punished here. So some people are getting long there. I'm going to be just a little patient. Just practicing scalping the 5-second chart here. So no serious pressure, no super stress. My real account is safe. FOMC is later today, so I'm not getting too active. All right, so first signal failed. Nice channel here. You do have a nice channel, and it's being overshot. So, all right, clean reversal. On a higher time frame, this is going to look like a reversal, but price has already jumped back down. All right, second chance entry. I time that close. Entry is right at the close of this purple second chance. I think I just hit my target. Actually, I got auto break even turned on. So let's fix that right quick. Let's just double check this order. All right, 60-30. Now we want to go. Let's go 50-50. We going 50 ticks target and 50 ticks stop. Practicing scalping the 5 minutes. Let's go. All right. Market is looking heavy. First 1 minute candle gave us our inefficiency. Boom, just like that. Just like that. All right. 2% of that. Let's get the open range gap on here. Open range gap got smoked, but I'm going to check the standard deviation right quick. Didn't hit it yet. All right, inside up close bar fail. Inside up close bar fail. Fail, fail. And nice wick on the 1 minute. Decent looking action on the 1 minute. Like to see price maybe hit this one standard deviation of the open range gap. This line here first. And then maybe we can make some moves. Getting long. Let's go back to electronic trading hours. Did not get a trigger. No trigger, no trade. We did hit the standard deviation. Looks like we got some liquidity here. Nice pin bar. Inside up on the 30, inside up on the 1. Reversal on the 15. Yeah, this could be the bottom. 50% of this range. 50% of this range could give you a opportunity to get long. Not financial advice. You'll lose your money. Don't follow me. Let's rock and roll. All right, inside up close bar, possibly closing on the 1 minute and 15 seconds. Nice cliffhanger right there. Nice cliffhanger. Gonna be patient, not gonna chase this. This is a nice cliffhanger. These two down bars create the cliff that price will fall off. I mean, it makes more sense looking at it. The term cliffhanger makes more sense looking at it for short setups. But all right, actually, really efficient turn here. No clear buy trigger candles. This pin bar, that's a little bit of a trigger. Let's see. All right, not going to touch this. 50% respected perfectly here. Break a structure here. Could be the bottom. Also, definitely like this to fail, actually. At least these lows. But who knows? Not touching it. Just practicing scalping here. 5-second chart. Execution is all you can take care of. Doesn't matter if it wins or loses. What matters is, do you follow your strategy? All right. Let's see. Another long signal. High or low. Another long trigger. Shorts taken out. Structure broken to the upside. One standard deviation of the opening range gap. I don't think price wants to go too far today from these 50% lines. So this could be a Judas. We'll just have to see. All right, 2 losing short trades in a row. That means I'm not going to continue to fade this. That is a very big rookie mistake. I am going to take a second, reassess what the market is trying to do. So I'm scalping a 5-second chart, so I'm a little bit in the weeds down here. So we took this liquidity, put in a clean reversal on the 15-second. This is what it looks like on the 15-second. This pin bar here is beautiful. Could have been a little bit more patient, maybe waited for this here. Now that we've taken that liquidity, it does change things a bit. I feel less like I'm fading this move and more like this could be the actual bottom. Right, so 50% of this swing leg up is disrespected. Not going to take a long here, not going to force this. Like I said, I'm not going to. That is a clean higher low second chance trigger bar though. 5-second chart is just hard to trust, right? Such a small time frame. Inside up close on the 1 minute. Back at the 50. All right, I'll take that. Bad fill because price really jumped. I was almost perfectly on time, but maybe a little late. But I like this trade. If you look at the 1 minute here, price is inside this candle and it closed up. That is giving me this yellow bar. That's a trigger for me. It's a bad fill, so I'm supposed to sell the close of this. Price spiked 1 second. I was trying to time the close and I was a little bit early. So it's all good. Price spiked and I'm in it to win it here. I'm not going break even. I'm not doing nothing. I'm not touching no orders today. 50-50. Win or lose, do or die. That's how I'm riding today. So 50-50 targets and stops. We'll see if the entries have an edge. There's no edge in the risk to reward, meaning you're not skewing the odds in your favor. through the risk to reward ratio. It's just purely timing. 5-second chart. Can you execute in time to market on a super small time frame? All right. So Doji, right as you take this liquidity, probably good for a small pullback before continuation here. In normal trading, I probably would want my target higher, a revisit of the opening range gap, which is this 0 blue line here. Like price to take this liquidity out here. This is looking like a nice bear flag though. So the longer price hangs around here, the more dangerous it is that we're going to have another spike lower. Because this is looking like nice trend line liquidity, bear flag for a continuation lower. Because this is a pretty nice impulse move to open the day up. So yeah, if on another day when I'm managing my orders and messing around and trying to micromanage things, I might have already been stopped out break even on this trade. See, somebody else might actually add to that. Let's see where we're at here. 50% of that swing. Yeah, that's what I was thinking could happen there. The longer we were hanging around there. So let's see. Right quick, let me track this. Let's track this here. Where you at? Here we go. Trade count. I'm at 3 trades for the day. All right, I do miss my higher time frame. Let's see what we want to do. $15. Nice. Okay, I'm cool with this. All right, I actually took this trade based off the trigger on the 15-second chart, which is this long purple pin bar. Although I am trading on a 5-second chart, it's all good. Would have liked to buy the close of this inside up bar, but I was trying to get my bearings on the higher time frame on another screen, so it's all good. That's trade number 4. Win, lose, or draw. Let's see, where are we at? Let's put that right there. All right, so I think I got 4 long trades so far today. Price is really, really dropping, and I'm just a contrarian trader. So this is something that I'm definitely aware of as a weakness. So each is 25. Go double bottom. Just barely stopped out. A proper stop placement goes under this swing, and you actually stay in the trade. But I said I wasn't touching my orders, which is kind of silly given how close my stop was to this low. So that is an error for sure. That's just an unforced error. All right. Low, high, low, higher high, pull back to the 50% of here. Ooh, nice short candle right there. Shouldn't be scared to take shorts. I like this though. I like this though because it induces more shorts, and maybe some people chase. So if this is the actual bottom, that's a great spot for people to chase there. Although I didn't trade the close of this candle, I just bought it when it looked like a reversal. So what's that? Trade number 6 here. Where is this thing? Here we go. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Definitely just click the button there. Nice looking trigger on the 15. Now that was a little bit forcing, and probably deserved to get punished for entering that. But you got signals lining up on all the other charts, and we're pushing off this higher time frame. Let's see. Trade 7. 3 more trades, guys. Very interesting scenario here. 0 for 7 on the day. Let's go. No trigger, no trade. No trigger, no trade. Let's go. I said I wasn't going to touch my stops or my targets, but that's where the stop goes on this trade. That's your trigger candle. Stop goes above it. Trigger in short. Let's see if the party's over yet. Nice sideways chop on the 1 minute. Probably want to see some liquidity taken here before I get long again. Don't want to just get long in the middle of this range. So I was right to think that we were getting short here. If I hadn't touched my stop, I would have got paid on that one. Double bottom is not going to play out in my book right now. In Q, Where's my volume at? Inside up close bar right here. Price did not take that out. Let's just check the mini contract. Mini contract did take out price, so I think we have a green light to go long. Here, I don't think price will come back down just for the micro contract liquidity. No clean trigger though, so I'm gonna chill. No clean trigger. Let's see, I got 2 more trades, and then I'm done practicing this 5-second scalping exercise. Let's see here. Am I going to? Big question. Yo, what's up, viewer? Question is, am I going to try to pick the bottom one more time? All right. You already know the answer. Captain Contrarian here. 50% lining up with the top of this higher time frame inefficiency. Therefore, I like that level. I also like 50% of this swing. Nice grind up action. This is the first time we've seen price really sort of cleanly grind higher. All right, let's see. Another bear flag forming here or what, guys? Looks like we got a short trigger on the 15-second. It's not that pretty though. It's more of a continuation. All right, and that looks about right. This is a level that's interesting for a possible short here. Inside down close on the 5-second. Tight risk goes here. Don't love it because we're so close to this liquidity. Basically a double top play. Inside down close bar is a short trigger. All right, that was trade 9. One more to go. Then I'm out. But yeah, I like this as the bottom now. For now. Looks super clean on the 15-second. 15-second is just out of here. Let's go. Let's see how this wants to close. 50% of today's range is here. Smart play is to wait for price to get back to this 20 period moving average based on the 5-minute chart. So this moving average here. Let's see, 50% of that swing. Just right quick, let's put the, okay, that's on there already. Let's put this on there. Where's this moving average winding up? So it's a little bit lower. I wouldn't say we got there yet, though. All right, got them. Put them to sleep. Price is just trending up. They all felt safe. I'm going to take this long. This is a long trigger. Closing above the 50%. And this could have been some kind of legit buy-in, but we'll have to see. Definitely not my day. Could be 0 for 10. Just practicing 5-second chart, bro, is so hard. Actually, and also if you notice, I was on the 15-second there, so that execution was actually on the 15-second. But we'll see. We'll see. FOMC later today. No need to get too hyper with it. Just practicing some executions, getting some reps in. Practice account, $16 elite trader funding account. All right, inside up close bar. right at my entry price. That's a pretty sharp spike down. Price is back above 50% of the swing. But yeah, that's looking. All right. Amazing, perfect performance. 0 for 10. Couldn't do it if I tried. That's it. I'm off to do some research today. Going to put some work in. I got some reps in. I don't know how useful that was. Just watching price really. Did force some trades, some good trades. Thought could have won. A little bit early on the bottom there. Little bit early on the short here. This trade, I don't love this trade actually going long here. I do like it along more below this liquidity. Just to review what I did. Playing this long, I like this long. I don't mind. I definitely don't mind taking this L. You got higher time frame, fair value, open range price, higher low trigger bar. Pretty clean reversal candle here. So this could have been a bottom. Wouldn't change nothing about that trade. This trade looks very similar to this trade, where impulse up kind of sideways and I get long above the liquidity. Impulse up kind of sideways, I get long above this liquidity. So that's a little bit of a that's like maybe a weakness, right? So price is pushing down. We get an impulse up. I have a long bias. Price comes down and then is here. Then I want to get long. When I should have got long here. Well, not even. This is a better long at this level beneath this. And let's see. What else? So I'll give this trade was okay. This trade is probably not that great. This is a better trade. This is a very late entry though. I don't know what kind of trigger this is. That doesn't look too amazing actually. You're buying in the upper part, so you're paying a premium price for this range. Here you're more at the 50, so that's a little bit forgivable. Let's see here. Yeah, that's not too bad. Just one tick below the 50. That could have pushed up. This right here, once I was in this trade, it got close to my target. I like this entry. Inside up closed bar. I think we're close to some kind of bottom here. We're at the 1 standard deviation of the open range gap. And I called it that this bear flag, the longer price hung around here, that this spike down was building. So it was nice to be able to call that. It's all good, just practice. This long is pretty aggressive, right? And it's a late entry. Inside up close, I took this based off the 15-second. There was a 15-second trigger here. Very aggressive. Huge spike down. This is me just, whether I want to admit it or not, probably frustratingly just fading today's price action, right? Yes, there was a trigger. Yes, this is a higher time frame inefficiency that is basically still more or less holding as the bottom. That is still a forced trade. So that's a no good trade. The short here is super late, huh? let's see. I'm curious. I don't think I won a single trade. Okay, so I did hit this trade. This looks like a winner, even though it was super late on the entry. Um, it looks more like a no trigger on any higher time frame either. So this is a pretty clean trigger right here. But how late is my entry? I mean, that's chasing price. So that's even though it's my one winning trade, that's an X. Let's see, streaming for 45 minutes. All right, I'm out. I think the rest explains itself. This was an okay long. I don't see a good clean trigger there. I think I took the trigger on a 15 second. Yeah, it actually is pretty clean. This trigger on a 15 second. Um, and maybe if I don't move my stop or give myself a little room, this trade works out. But like I said, waiting for a short from one of these moving averages would have been the uh, the more prudent plan of attack. All right, I'm done. Research time. Peace out. Shut her down here. Have a good day.